Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Today I have this gorgeous and super easy fall wreath for you guys using this Dollar Tree foam wreath form. And I am simply going to start off by adding a hanger using some jute twine, which I also got from the Dollar Tree. So there are a few ways you can go about this. You can paint the foam round if you want to, but ain't nobody got no time for that. The easiest way to go about this is simply to cover up the foam round if there might be some parts showing. I like to wrap mine in either ribbon or in this case, I will be using some burlap because we're going for like a fall rustic kind of feel. So the burlap I felt was perfect. Now it was a bit wide. As you can see, my burlap is pretty wide. I got this burlap from Hobby Lobby and it was a little difficult for me to wrap it. I saw, as you can see, it's like bunching up when I try to wrap it. So I decided to split it in half. I simply cut my burlap in half and it was much easier to wrap. As I wrapped my wreath round, I secure every so often with hot glue. So once I am done wrapping, I cut away the little straggly, stringy pieces that are hanging, and then my base is all done and ready for embellishment. Okay, so now here comes the fun part. So these wooden leaves are from Hobby Lobby. They come unfinished. They're unfinished wood leaves. But my mother actually painted these last year. She was going to try to do something with them, but it didn't work out. And she was like, well, can you use these? And I said, hell yeah, lady. They're so beautiful. She painted them. I will leave her information down in the description box if you want to see how she paints. I don't think she has a video of her painting these, but I think it was some sort of like acrylic pour or whatever, and she does stuff like that. So I will try to remember to put her information down in the description box, and you can get an idea of how you can get this look on these leaves. They are so gorgeous. I saved them for a year. She gave these to me a year ago, and I'm like, okay, now I know what I want to do with them finally. And I got these beautiful sunflowers of different colors from Dollar Tree. So I started simply by placing things down on the round, trying to get a general idea of where I wanted stuff to go. And once I have an idea in my head, I start to finalize it by hot gluing everything down. I cut the stems off because at first I was going to try to stick the stems in there, but with the burlap in the way, it was just too difficult. It was just, I was bending them and everything. So I'm like, okay, plan B, let's just hot glue everything straight down. I cut the stems off and I just hot glued them directly to the burlap. And it was perfect. So once my large pieces are glued down, I like to fill in any gaps I have with these small flowers and these little berry picks that I found. So this is the finished look. I found this blessed lettering at Hobby Lobby. It is wooden. All I did was paint it and then distress it a little bit and added it with a bit of hot glue, and I think it completes this wreath. This is so beautiful and so easy to do and very inexpensive to make. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.